Hi friends, today we are going to see chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.2 first sum. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. The first subdivision is 140. So we can find the prime factors using factor tree method. So see here, this 140 2 into 70 is 140 and this 70 can be written as 2 into 35 and this 35 can be written as 5 into 7. So we can write this as 140 is equal to, just write in ascending order, so 2 into 5 into 7. So combine the same number of primes. So I am just combining the same primes. So there are two 2's. We can write this as 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. So 140 is equal to 2 square into 5 into 7. See here? As a product of its prime factors. So 140 is equal to this. Next is 156. So see here, 156 2 into 78 makes 156 and this 78 can be written as 2 into 39 and this 39 can be written as 3 into 1 13. Now we get in the form of prime factors. So we can write this 156 as, write in ascending order, so 2 into 3 into 13. So just group the same prime factors. So 156 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 13. The next number is 3825. So we can write this as 3825 5 into 7. So we get 765. So 5 into 765 makes 3825 and this 765 can be written as 5 into 153. So 153 and this 153 can be written as multiples of 3. So 3 into 5, 51. And this 51 can be written as 3 into 1, 7. So 17. Now we got in the term of prime factors. So we can write 3825 as 3825 is equal to, write in ascending order. So first 3 into 5 into 17. Just group the similar primes. So 3825 is equal to, this can be written as 3 square and 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square into 17. So 3825 is equal to 3 square into 5 square into 17. The next number is 5005. So we can write this as 5005. So 5 into 100. 1001. 5 into 1001 makes 5005 and this 1001 can be written as 11 into 91. So 11 into 91 makes 1001 and this 91 can be written as in 7. So 7 into we get 1, so 2 balance 13. So 7 into 13 is 91. So here at last 7 and 13 are prime numbers, so we can't factorize further. So 5005 is equal to, write in ascending order, so we get 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So 5005 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Fifth subdivision is 7429. So the 7429 can be written as using factor tree. So now using 17 into 4, so 437. 17 into 437 makes 7429, and this 437 can be written as 19 into 23. 19 into 23 makes 437. Since 19 and 23 are prime numbers, they can't be factorized further. So the 7429 can be written as is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. So we can conclude that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors, as a product of power of primes. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, post in comment box. Thanks for watching.